There's a huge amount of flavour in this little roll of butter, and you can use it to make my M&S Cowboy butter baked cod with giant butter beans.
Melt some M&S Cowboy butter in a pan with a teaspoon of olive oil, then throw in a sliced red onion. When that's softened, add a sliced red pepper, then stir in some smoked paprika. Next, add a jar of M&S giant butter beans along with all the liquid. Bring it to the gentle simmer, then stir in some halved piccolo tomatoes and remove the pan from the heat. Divide the beans between 2 oven-proof dishes and place an M&S collection cod loin on each one. Season the cod with salt and pepper. Add 2 slices of cowboy butter to each piece, then drizzle with a little olive oil. Roast on a tray until the cod is buttery and perfectly cooked. Then drizzle with a little olive oil and sprinkle with parsley to serve. You've never had fish like this, but I bet you'll be making it like this from now on.
I've got loads more recipes using the produce from the M&S farms that I've been visiting, so stay tuned for more tasty ideas.